Hello, I'm Tom Wambeke, Chief of Learning Innovation at the International Training Center, and really supports, let's say, the new initiative of our social protection team. That is going to be one of our first pilot groups that is actually transforming their e-coaching trajectory into also an immersive learning experience using virtual reality, as we have already enhanced the entire learning offer quite substantially with learning technology. Every day we want to do more. If we claim to be state of the art in learning, we also need to follow, let's say, the latest trends, but maybe to also focus a little bit on the added value, because we follow the latest trends, not just because of being there with the latest gadgets, but seeing what it can do to us in a new way. So you will see a lot of models that actually use technology as an enhancement. You know, I use an Oculus Quest as a substitution of being in the physical classroom because I'm not there anymore due to all kinds of reasons. Or I augment the learning experience with some functional improvements. You know, I integrate audience response systems. I actually introduce some three-dimensional objects. These are, let's say, the nice takeaways, the low-hanging fruits when you introduce a new technology into your training offer. The same happens with the virtual reality. What we're looking at is not really only at the enhancement level, but also how this can really transform your learning experience. Now, in these kind of COVID-19 times, we are almost drawn in webinars from dusk till dawn until it really exhausts us. So is there really something else that really can transform this kind of experience? And I must say that these immersive kind of coaching trajectories where you really are in there together with other people, where the human touch is almost accelerated and not just sitting actually behind your computer, but almost in your computer, is a kind of a different experience that you cannot just imitate with traditional technologies. And that's where I said that's where the thing is a bit different, and that's where we are leaping a little bit forward. And specifically also with the last angle, the redefinition, are there things that we can do in virtual reality that we cannot do in physical reality? That's what we are going to explore, and that's where we're going to go beyond, let's say, the normal immersive learning experience. The fact that I can work actually with heavy three-dimensional objects together with other people in a common room, which is completely different than the normal rooms that we are used in. The fact that I can have experiences in virtual reality that I cannot have in real reality, I can fly, are all kinds of elements that lead to new kinds of experience. The fact that I can take a perspective from another person through another kind of headset are all things we cannot do before with, let's say, the old model. And that's where going to be the added value. So again, we're not engaging this because VR is a nice gadget, but we're engaging it because gradually these new technologies will transform the future of learning, and we want to be at the forefront of it. And I thanks Charles and his team to engage in it, to pilot it, and hope the participants that will sign up for this course and take the VR option will like it, will appreciate it. I'm looking forward to those experiences.